So I just got my package today from TikTok. My freeze dry candy from Kuza Candies store. Let's go ahead and open this package. Let's see what's inside. I see a hairhead on the top. Oh, they gave us extra. So this is the package right here. It have a hairhead, watermelon hairhead. Just extra, They're like a thank you card, you know, just to say thank you for supporting the business and being customer. It's a cool little card from Kuza Candies. Yeah, people, it's a nice shop. And this is the package. Let's go. This is the big deal. Kuza Candies freeze dry. All right. Oh, there's a next little sour patch. Sour patch. So we got two extra. We got earheads and a sour patch. And that's everything that come in the package: the earhead and the sour patch and the Kuza candy. These are the colors. The different colors: yellow, green, orange, purple, as you know. Smelling good. So now for the taste run. Let's test it. Everybody going crazy over this. So let me see what I'm going. Yeah man, it's good. Try it. Try next one. It worth spending the money. Have a different texture to it, crunchy. I like it. Go grab your Kuza candy, freeze dry candy right now. Very good.